Okay, so don't close your code. What I want you to do now is to use the same thing, the help function. And then I want you to see if there's anything that you can use to add the species jaguar to position 3 of that species list.
Tracy, sorry. I'm having a bit of an issue where I'm not getting an output and I'm not exactly sure where I'm going wrong.
Show me. I'm going to stop.
Okay, so I did that.
Oh, okay. So because Jupyter Notebook works in blocks, you have to add that second line in the same block as the other one, because now it doesn't know where you got species from. Because species is in a different, yeah.
Okay, so can I just,
copy it here. Did your copy not work?
No, I think I deleted it. So I just restarted.
Okay.
So it was species.count and then
yeah. Okay, so now that should work. You can use this. You can put your cursor in the second line or the second block, and then use the scissors on top next to the plus sign to delete that. Yeah.
Okay.
Nikita, are you? Have we lost you? Okay. No.
I'm here.
Okay, cool. There we go. It works.
It works.
Yay! It says my internet connection is unstable, so I just hope nothing happens. Okay, so you can unshare your screen. Okay, so you guys are learning how to use the help function. I'm so happy. Let me share my screen again, and then yeah. So in my case again, I got the same species.count human. Again, you can use Nikita uses single. You can use single or double quotes. Doesn't matter. Okay. So then, for those, if you didn't do it yet, there's a function called insert for the second part that you can use to insert objects into your list. It takes the index where you want to put it and the object or the element in our case. Remember, object, it's called object here because it's just going to, if you look at the help menu for all the different data types, dictionary, strings, you know, all of those ones that we haven't done yet, if it's not going to call it an element here because that only applies to lists. So when you see object, it just means, depending on the data structure that you're working with, it's going to be that type of data structure. So if you see object here, when you're working with strings, and it means string. In this case, you see object, it means element, okay? So, but it takes an index, it takes 2 arguments. The self you can always ignore. In fact, if you see self in it and nothing else, then it normally means that the argument is empty. Remember when we used the .copy on top, we just say .copy and it has no argument, okay? So if there's something else added to self, then it means that it can take other variables. And it will normally tell you, let me just show you. Okay, in this case, we can use this example. Here you can see value. It will normally tell you if it takes something else. So here with insert, it takes index and object. So I said I wanted it at position 3, which is your index. So You could just say species.insert at positions 3, takes 2 arguments, Jaguar, and you will see there at position 0, 1, 2, 3, you now have Jaguar, which you didn't have there before.